Iron oxide is widely used in magnetic materials, pigments, polishing agents, catalysts, and so on. Iron oxide ball press production line equipment is a complete set of raw material ball production equipment, from the material feeding, destruction, mixing, drying, packaging, palletizing, through the electronic control system active operation, reduce the technical requirements of the operator and the number of workers demand, effectively reduce production costs, improve the enterprise in the occupation of the market competitiveness. The following to introduce the iron oxide ball press production line. 4 advantages: a high degree of initiative, reduce the intensity of work, the secondary production capacity is large, can meet the production needs of large mineral powder limited enterprises. Iron oxide ball production line can realize continuous operation, can meet the needs of enterprises uninterrupted operation. Iron tetroxide ball production line function is reliable, stable, equipment maintenance is simple and convenient, so that customers worry, labor saving.